All right, let's look at number 13. We have the square root of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times the square root of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from our product property rule, we know we're just going to multiply those together under the root. Times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, whenever we have something times itself, we know that what we're really doing is squaring that number, right? If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squared, that's the same thing as multiplying it by itself. And our square root is just going to cancel out. So our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's look at number 14. At the beach, the distance d in miles that you can see to the horizon with your eye level h feet above the water is given by this equation here. Your friend is going scuba diving. They are on a boat 2 miles out from shore. If you are 5 feet tall, will you be able to see them from shore? So we're going to plug 5 in for h because that's how tall we are. So our distance is going to be equal to the square root of 3 times 5 divided by 5 times 2 root 2 times 5 minus 3 root 5. Okay, now I want you guys to pause your video, try and simplify this on your own, and then press play and see if you get the right answer. So, when we need to simplify this, first of all, we know that 3 times 5 divided by 5, those 5's will cancel. So really, we just have root 3 times 2 root 2 times 5 is 10 minus 3 root 5. Now, we need to multiply these roots together. So we're going to have 2 and then 3 times 10 under the root. So that gives us 2 root 30 minus 3 root 5. Now we're going to come up here and let's just see if we can break down root 30 at all. So we know that's 3 times 10, and 3 won't break down. 10 we could say is 2 times 5, and neither of those will break down. So do we have any pairs? No. So that means root 30 is actually as far simplified as we can go. So our answer is 2 root 30 minus 3 root 5 miles. Now, we don't know what this is off the top of our head, so we can't tell if we can see 2 miles out. What we can do is type it into our calculator. So we're going to come to our calculator, and then we're going to type in 2 square root. So you usually have to hit second to get the square root of 30. And then close the parenthesis, minus 3 times the square root, again second to get that squared root of 5, close the parenthesis, equals 4.246. So this is equal to 4.246 miles. So if we can see 4 miles out, then yes, we will be able to see your friend scuba diving 2 miles out from shore.